Ladies Unique Creations, and I'm going to show you finally my husband's Father's Day gift. It turned out really nice. So here it is. Don't mind the messiness. That is our room. Here's one of the plaques. Here is the other one. The first one was the green one. This is the blue one. And here's the top of the desk. And this down here, excuse the mess, are the shelves. And here are the drawers. There's not much room in here, so let me see if I can get the thing as a whole. That's about as good as it's gonna get, and I'm really not a good cameraman. And there you go. That's about as good as it's gonna get as a whole. And the shelf was on the side. So that was his Father's Day gift, and hopefully you guys think it turned out as nice as I did. And please, if you like the video, like and subscribe, and I have left a link to my Patreon account in the link below if you want to help me keep this channel alive. So until next time, have a nice day, everyone.